So we got here pretty dark last night when we got here, so didn't have a chance to show the car. Well, I'm just going to have a walk round to it now. I've got this Dodge Caravan. Is it Caravan? It's, yeah, Dodge Grand Caravan GT. The GT, this has the built-in satnav, so if you haven't got a satnav and you've got a minivan, look for one of these GTs. It's got automatic doors, so if you want to open the door you can do it by the key fob. Inside there's only 6 of us, so it's got everything we need. Like I say, it's got the built-in sat-nav. It's got loads of cubby space. It's nice to drive. It's not like driving a big boat like the other one we had, the Nissan. Or a Nissan, I can't remember what it was actually called. The Nissan something. Anyway, we're an 8-seater, but it was a big thing. It was wallowing every time you tried to turn. But this is a decent car to drive. And it's got everything what you need. Also got a foot brake, basically it's a handbrake, but that's probably never been used in its life. But yeah, overall it's a nice car. There we go. That's it, locked up. I'll walk back to the room. Over that wall there is I don't think, is it the I4? But you can hear the traffic, so I'm glad we haven't got a room on this side, because it would have took a few days to get used to that noise. They've given us a poolside. And there's a poolside room. The Rosen Inn, Pointe Orlando. Basically we're just round the back of where our car is parked. Waffle makers, Mickey waffles. It's a waffle toaster. granola, strawberry yogurt, blueberry yogurt, cottage cheese.
Well, I believe you.
My other left.
Character warehouse.
I'm just saying it's way too tight.
Debs. Where is she? At Cot Stall. BBA Mega Link Placer. $19. Let's see how much. $10. Debs. Mickey's Castle Cup. All $5.99 again. Should be $20. Wow.